are out here cleaning at the new office, so we wanted to show you around real quick. This is going to be the new work area where all the magic will happen. We've owned the building for a while, but all of this is brand new. This office was here, but it was redone. This is going to be David's office. And it'll look out into the work area. My desk will be over here so I can look out the window. This is going to be the front entryway. All about the details. We'll have a sign here that says Screamin' Chicken. Floors are brand new. Anyways, as I was saying, these floors just got installed last week. I believe they finished up on Wednesday or Thursday. But don't they look good? So that is it. We will keep y'all updated as it gets closer to moving. We should be moving the next couple of weeks, and we're going to be doing a video on the whole before and after and construction so y'all can see it all come together. So stay tuned for that.